Well, many people want to know, is it possible to play a regular set of Scottish small pipes that have two tenor drones versus a tenor, a baritone, and a bass drone? Can you convert your middle tenor drone into a baritone drone? My answer is yes, you can. And y'all will hear me do that in this video, as I will be using Hector the Hero for this example. When I finish the tune, y'all might see me swapping reeds for my middle tenor reed with my bass reed. As you might not know, I have shut down my middle tenor reed to give it more of an iconic Scottish small pipe sound, as I find the middle tenor drone is quite overpowering to the chanter. Now let's give a listen to what it sounds like whenever I remove the middle tenor reed and put the bass reed into the middle tenor drone. It gives it more of the iconic Scottish small pipe sound, whereas if I had an extra bass reed, I could put that one into the middle tenor drone, converting it into the baritone drone, and put my bass reed that I already use back into the bass drone, and therefore balancing out the harmonics of low A, E, and high A. In this case, A2, E3, and A3, for the more fuller sound of the Scottish small pipes.